Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to earn Marriott Bonvoy points. You just get these Marriott points is very easy and simple. You can actually earn this, Marriott Bonvoy points by staying at hotels, right? Dining, renting cars, and just using a Marriott Bonvoy credit card. So for hotel stays, you can earn points on qualifying charges at most Marriott brands. You basically earn 10 points for every $1 spent at a participating Marriott Gold Resort or spa. And you can actually earn a late night credit for every 2 or 3 nights stayed. You can also book, award redemption stays through a Marriott channel. And for dining, what you can go ahead and do is you can enroll in the Eat Around Town programs to basically earn points at a participating restaurant. And you can earn points on a dining and beverages, right? At participating brands as well. Car rentals, you can basically earn 500 points per rental with Hertz, or 250 points per rental with Dollar and Thrifty. Okay. And there's also the Marriott Bonvoy credit card, which we were talking about. Basically, you're earning points on every day spending at the grocery store, shopping and paying bills, right? And some Marriott Bonvoy credit cards have categories with booster reward rates, so it's basically the elite status. So you earn bonus points on paid stays with the Marriott Bonvoy elite status, and the higher the status, the higher the bonus points you will earn. And you can redeem your points for a specific dollar amount, which basically acts as a credit towards your total room bill. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. If it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.